In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Outlook error that says too many requests, also known as the HTTP 429 error. This is a very common issue, and it usually appears when Outlook or Microsoft services think there have been too many login attempts in a short period of time. The good news is that this is not a permanent error, and in most cases you can fix it in just a few minutes by following a few simple steps. I'll walk you through the exact process step by step, so make sure to watch till the end. And if this video helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech fixes like this. Let's get started. First, it's important to understand why this error happens. The too many requests error is a security measure from Microsoft. It's designed to protect your account when there are repeated sign-in attempts, refreshes, or background requests happening too quickly. This can occur if you tried logging in multiple times, refreshed Outlook repeatedly, or if your browser stored corrupted cookies or cached data. So the fastest fix is to clear your browser's cache and cookies, or use a private browsing mode. Let's start with clearing the cache and cookies, which is the most reliable solution. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time if you're on Windows. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete. This shortcut will instantly open the Delete Browsing Data menu in most modern browsers. If you prefer doing it manually, open your browser and click on the three dots or ellipsis in the top right corner. From there, click on Settings. Inside Settings, navigate to Privacy and Security. Now click on Delete Browsing Data. Once this window opens, make sure the correct options are selected. Check the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. You don't usually need to delete saved passwords, so you can leave that unchecked. Also, make sure the time range is set to all time for the best results. After selecting the correct options, click on Delete Data or Clear Data, depending on your browser. The browser will now remove stored cookies and cached files that may be causing the Outlook error. This step is extremely important, so make sure it completes fully before moving on. Once the cache and cookies are cleared, completely close your browser. Wait for a short moment, around 30 seconds to 1 minute. This gives Microsoft servers a little time to reset the request limit tied to your session. After waiting, reopen your browser and go back to Outlook. Try signing in again or refreshing the page normally. In most cases, the too many requests error will no longer appear, and Outlook should load correctly. If you still see the error, another quick option is to use Incognito or private mode. Open a new private window in your browser and sign into Outlook from there. Because private mode doesn't use existing cookies or cache, it often bypasses the error immediately. Finally, once Outlook opens successfully, avoid repeatedly refreshing the page or signing in and out too quickly. This helps prevent the error from coming back. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the Outlook too many requests error using a safe and simple method. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.